guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with a hair review. So this hair here is amazing. I'm just gonna tell you that it's amazing. But anyway, you guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here. Let's get into this video. Bye. Okay guys, so the hair came in this nice little box. This hair is from Aliexpress Modern Hair Show, and this is 24 inches. And guys, guess how much this hair costs? It was only like $120, but there's a sale going on right now, and it is $90, you guys. It is $90. And then they have a coupon to where if you spend $81, you get $9 off. So, child, this is some cheap hair. And I just want to talk to you all. Like, I do a lot of hair reviews on Ashmary Hair because that was my go-to Aliexpress hair company, of course. But I really like the hair. But the only reason I decided to switch and try something different is because I noticed that I feel like the lace is a little dark. So this is a lace front wig, you guys. I bought it as a full wig, of course. So, with Ashmary Hair, the lace was a little dark to where it would just never look right. But y'all, let me get a little close to you for you all. But y'all, this hair, like, it looks like scalp. It really looks like scalp, you guys. This hair is amazing. Like, this is hair I wouldn't mind doing like an updo with, and it would still look good. Like, it's like I've never had a frontal like that. I don't know. I think it's just the color of this lace looks amazing. It is the closest being to transparent I've ever seen or ever had from a lace front wig. So this is only my second day with it. I put it in yesterday. It came yesterday. I put it in yesterday. So it's only my second day. So of course I have no complaints so far. I'll make sure to update you all later on, of course. But shipping was super fast. I ordered the hair Saturday night, and it came on Wednesday morning. So that is pretty fast to me. That's pretty fast. And like I said, they have a sale right now. So if you're thinking of buying it, I think you might as well go ahead and take that leap. There's a Aliexpress is having a whole mid-year sale, so a lot of things are on sale, and you can even stack coupons on coupons. So you can get this hair for super cheap right now. But 24 inches, I'm 5'7", you guys. Let me show you where it falls on low. Well, me, nah. It falls all the way down there. Oh, my elbow's a little ashy. But it falls all the way down there. So, yeah, you guys. This hair is super cute. So this is just a straight wig. And I am in love, you guys. Like, oh. I did have to customize it, so I did bleach the knots, and I also like plucked the lace a little bit. I have videos to show you all how I do that, so make sure you check that out. I haven't changed anything really from those videos. So I did have to do that, but this hair is bomb right now. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling. I better not 2 days in, but I think the most important is the update. So I will make sure I update you all on how I feel about this hair. But so far, so good. I think it is amazing. But anyway, you guys, if you all have any questions about this hair, put them in the comments section, and I will respond like almost immediately because I get all my notifications sent to my phone. So I will definitely see it. But anyway, you guys, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, you guys. Bye.